Hello, VWP Star. How are you? My name is Cyril Bettschen. I'm the head chef of the 3 Michelin star restaurant Bareiss by Claus-Peter Lumpp in the beautiful Black Forest. I'm gonna present you today our a la carte dish, the pigeon. The pigeon, we get it like this, so whole with the liver, heart, everything inside. From one of our supplier in the Alsace. Look how beautiful. So after we cut the pigeon, we're gonna hold the heart. We have the liver, we made a mousse or a cream out of the liver, and we have the pigeon still on the carcass. Now we're gonna pan fry the pigeon. So we just season it with salt. So here the pan has to be like a really heat. It's like kind of a little bit of frying, so we get the skin already a good temperature. And as you see, it's still on the carcass. Beautiful. Now we put a pigeon in the oven. We are still heating with a full heat, so it's 250 degrees. Put it inside and turn it each 3 minutes to the other side. So now we're gonna prepare our stuffed morels for the pigeon dish. It's coming on the second plate. So we basically just stuff with the pilz stuffing, some shallots. So we're gonna fry them slowly in some fresh butter. Now I'm gonna splash it with a little bit of sherry. Then we have a glaze made out of morels, sherry, and some chili. So now we continue with our plating of the pigeon a la carte dishes. So the first plate, it will be two types of sweet potato. We have two different sweet potato stems. The first one is with like a kind of Asian flavor with some sesame inside, some lemon, some sweet chili. So the second one is plain with the orange sweet potato. So we have here only with a little bit rosemary and thyme inside, just some salt. Then we have a mayonnaise made out of the purple sweet potato. Comes the parsley mayonnaise. Then we have a kind of a pommes out of the sweet potato. It's just rolled a little bit in a sesame, in a different sesame. So one is with a lime, one is yuzu, one is wasabi. For the second one, we got the first fillet. Then we have a sweet chili gale, what comes a little bit on the top. And for the second side, we use again a little bit of the parsley mayonnaise. We have some sesame chips. Comes garnish a little bit flour. Ich habe die Ausrichtung hinlegen. So, we got here the pigeon. The pigeon is just seasoned from outside. Now it comes our salt and pepper mixture, what we produce here by our own. We have the sauce. The sauce is a little bit with the caviar, lime and some lemongrass. And here is our first course of our a la carte pigeon. Sweet potato, two types with a pigeon. Let's go for this side. So, the second plate in our menu. This is the second fillet of the pigeon. We have some celery cubes. They're just pan fried, and then with a little bit garlic, rosemary, and thyme. Here we have our moles, what we made before. So they're the stuffed ones. We got again parsley mayo. Sweet potato. Have some celery salad. Again some flowers. So here we got the sherry gel also. So the sherry again sees the morals. Then we got the pigeon, the second fillet. So we just cut it a little bit thinner. Put them through a little rows here. Then we got again a little bit of this jus. And as well we got the foam of the morels. This is our second plate of our pigeon a la carte dish. So here we got a royal brioche. We have some of the liver cream. So we got the ragu is made out of the legs of the pigeon. So we used the whole animal. So then here we got a green apple jelly that comes here on the top. We got as well the other part of the fillets of the pigeon. Got some fresh green apple. So the first part is ready. We got a heart. Next to it, heart also we're gonna season just a little bit with our salt pepper mixture. So now we have a classic Albufera sauce. Dann kommt der Royal Brioche in the middle. Then we put the heart. And then we add just some jus points. This is the third plate of our pigeon a la carte. So we got the first one with a little bit Asia flavor, the second is with the celery and the Bareiss, and the third is the classic with the Albufera sauce and the Royal Brioche. Thank you very much, and I hope I see you soon in the restaurant Bareiss. Thank you very much.